Hello, Eden from A Moment of Zen, and this is the third video in the Law of Attraction terminology series of videos that I'm going to do. Momentum is the word for this video. As I said in the prior two videos about the terminology for Law of Attraction, this is the stuff that is commonly said in the Abraham Hicks material, and it's the Law of Attraction teachings that I most resonate with. I am such a classy lady, burping on camera. And I have no editing skills, so guess what? On with the show. There are plenty of awesome Law of Attraction teachers out there. I happen to resonate most with the Abraham Hicks material, and therefore that is the terminology I am comfortable with and familiar with. And so if you hear me saying it, I would like for you to have some clue as to what I am talking about. I think that would be most helpful, don't you? So, momentum. What do I mean when I say momentum? Well, momentum is, another way to put it, it's your habit of thinking about a topic. It's your habit of the way you think, speak, and feel about something. So, in other words, let's say there's a condition that is chronic and not necessarily a health condition. It could be like the condition of not having enough money, or the condition of not liking your body, whatever, the weight, the size, whatever. The momentum is when all you're doing is talking about, thinking about, focusing on that thing you don't like. So you've got so much energy going in that direction of the things you don't want. It's like a train. Think of it as, and oftentimes in the Abraham material they will use the analogy of the train. You have been complaining, noticing what is, not liking it, complaining. That train is going full speed ahead in the direction of all the things you don't like about that topic. That's the momentum. As we all know, you cannot stop a speeding train on a dime, but you can slow it down enough so that you can stop it and then turn it to go the other way. But how do you do that? How do you stop momentum? How do you slow momentum? And momentum is a good thing too. It can work for you or against you. If you've got the momentum built where it's going in the direction of what you don't want, the complaining, the noticing of what is, if what is isn't pleasing, that's building the momentum in the direction of what you don't want. To slow it down and to stop it, you start to notice when you talk about the things that you don't want. When you notice the negative emotion regarding that topic. When you pay attention to that stuff, then you're aware, okay, I must be thinking something that is opposite of what my inner being knows or what I really want. So it's really about practicing catching yourself, catching those thoughts, and then learning to think different thoughts and slowly switching your gears so that you can get that train going the other way. It's very similar to that one video where I did where you're here and what you want is here. You're not going to make a quantum leap. You're not going to stop that train. You're not going to stop that momentum and turn it around. It's too much. It's too difficult. The vibrational frequency is too off. You have to work your way there. So you do that. You practice, noticing, recognizing when you're thinking a thought that is not feeling good to you, when you're in the contrast and you're noticing the contrast doesn't feel good. You can either continue to not feel good or say, okay, something doesn't feel good here, and then learn to switch it around. And let's stick to one particular topic. Let's say it is money. You're constantly noticing that you don't have enough money. When you stop complaining about it or talking about it or pointing out to people the injustices of the world, that everybody has money but you, and you can slow that down and reach for thoughts that are closer, that that you know are true for you. Like, okay, maybe not everybody in the world has more money than you, but some people have more money than you, but you'll get more money. It's thoughts like that you just gotta eke your way back over until you can then get the momentum going into the direction that you want. Money is always falling in my lap. I have plenty of money. Money is never an issue. My money just comes to me as easy as breathing, and you work your way so that the momentum is going to the direction of what you want. So that is basically momentum. It's the constant attention to a subject, be it wanted or unwanted. If you've got the momentum going on something that is unwanted, then switch it to what is wanted, work your way to what is wanted, keep focusing on what is wanted, and that gets the momentum changed. I hope that helped. I hope that made sense. If not, let me know and I'll clarify, but I think I kind of got it down. If this was helpful, if you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if there's anything you do want me to discuss or go over, please let me know. Either leave it in a comment below or reach me through the Facebook page or my shop contact page. I'll leave that contact information in the comment box below. And that's about it. So if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out, okay? Have an awesome day and keep that momentum going in the direction of what you want, all right? Catch you later.